Welcome back to Junebug Designs Tutorials. Today we're going to be making lollipop stickers. Today we're going to be using our roller skating design from our Etsy shop. You can find the link down below. For today's tutorial you're going to need lollipops, vinyl sticker paper, 2-inch paper punch. I love these paper punch. I have them in all sorts of sizes and I use them for all types of craft. Definitely a must for any crafter. If you need help downloading and printing your Etsy order, you can find the link in the description with a video tutorial on how to download and print Etsy orders. Watch till the end to see a bonus tutorial on what else you can make with these labels. Alright, we have everything we need. We're going to go ahead and start. You're going to go ahead and cut the side of the label. You want to make sure that you're getting as close as you can to the actual design so you could get a good cut. You're going to grab your paper punch. We're going to go ahead and start cutting out the actual labels. You might find it a little bit difficult to get the paper in sometimes, but you just got to play with it till you could get in there. And just align it. Make sure you take your time and align it so you could cut it out and get it perfect. And that's how simple it is to make these lollipop stickers. I created this template before I even had an Etsy store for my daughter's birthdays, and I had to figure out a way of doing it because I didn't have a Cricut at the time. This is the best way, and I actually, even though I have a Cricut now, I usually do them this way. I love it, and they will definitely align with a 2-inch paper punch. If you'd like to see a tutorial on how to cut these on your Cricut, let me know. Leave a comment down below. Again, you can find these labels in my Etsy store. I have different designs. I'm going to go ahead and leave the link for you down below. Alright, now we have all of the little stickers cut out. We're going to go ahead and put them on the lollipops. I like to buy the 2-inch lollipops because the sticker will cover the whole front part. But you could buy a bigger lollipop or different colors, whatever color you want. You know, it's all up to your preference. But these are the ones I like. I think they just look so cute. And that's how easy it is to make these cute party favors. I just love how glossy and how the color pops. The vinyl sticker paper is definitely a must for these. Alright, we are ready for the bonus. Are you ready for it? So for our bonus tutorial, we're going to go ahead and grab our remaining stickers. You're going to need string. It could be party string, it could be a cute lace, whatever it is that you want to choose. You're also going to need a hole puncher. This is a mini hole puncher. It's 1.5 millimeters. I'll go ahead and leave the link for you guys down below. And you're also going to need your favor bag. Alright, we're going to go ahead and cut a piece of the party string and put that to a side. And then we're going to grab our label and we're going to make a little hole on the top so we can put that string through it. This hole puncher is perfect for this type of project because it has a very tiny hole that we can put without like taking a lot of the design off, with the perfect amount of space to get the string through. You're going to grab your party string and you're going to go ahead and pinch the ends so you can go ahead and fit that right through the little hole. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and attach it to the favor bag. You want to go ahead and loop it around the back so the label will hang in the front, and then you're going to make a knot. You're going to tie it twice. And then we're going to grab our scissors and we're going to slide the little string so we can make cute little curls. And that's our bonus tutorial. That's how you could get your lollipop stickers to also serve you as favor tags. And that's how we make our lollipop stickers. If you like this video, please go ahead and give us a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.